SERVPRO of Pasadena, Gibson Island, and Lake Shore specializes in fire damage restoration and repair. We provide 24-hour emergency service, and you've probably heard this in our advertisements. We are faster to any size disaster. This is important because a faster response is the key to help prevent additional damage and reduce the restoration cost. Our technicians and fire specialists have been trained with our restore versus replace mentality. Besides the obvious advantage of lower costs, our restore first mentality also gets you back into your home or business quicker and with less disruption to your life.